Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have values in cells. Start by selecting the destination cell for the result. Type an equal sign to begin a formula, then click the first cell you want to multiply. Add an asterisk to indicate multiplication and click the second cell. Press Enter to calculate. You did the math inside Excel so you avoid manual errors. Once done, make sure the input cells show the expected types, so formatting like decimals or currency stays consistent for downstream calculations. To multiply many cells, use a simple formula or the product function for clarity. Equals product, A1, B1, C1. For a constant multiplier across a column, enter the constant in a cell, copy it, select the target range, then use paste special multiply to apply it in place. Alternatively, write a relative formula like equals A1 asterisk $C$1 and fill down. The dollar signs lock the constant. These methods save time and avoid manual entry, and they maintain links so values update automatically when results look correct. Copy formulas or use fill down to propagate them. Convert to values if you need static numbers. If you encounter errors, first ensure cells contain numeric values rather than text. Use value or text to columns to convert. For subtle issues, select the cell and run evaluate formula to step through each operation. This reveals misreferenced ranges or unexpected order of operations. Make sure to recalc. Press F9. After major edits so all dependent formulas refresh and reflect the latest inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.